So many of you have asked about my top luxury handbags for spring and summer. So today we're gonna recap my top 5 luxury handbags for the upcoming seasons. I'm also gonna be sharing 4 brand new handbags that I recently added to my collection, and they are all on sale. I do wanna say thank you to Saks Fifth Avenue for partnering with me on today's video. They're currently having their friends and family sale. Everything is gonna be linked down below, but it's starting right now through the 29th. You can get 25% off of new arrivals, 20% off of jewelry, and 10% off of beauty. So make sure to check out all the links down below, but let's go and get started because I've got lots of eye candy for you. First up, we have to talk about the Givenchy Antigona. This is in the mini size. I have been reaching for this bag quite a bit lately, but I also purchased this bag specifically for spring and summer fashion. Now, I'm not saying you can't wear this bag year round because you totally can, but I specifically picked this color combo for spring and summer fashion in mind. There is something about this color, the undertone, and the silver hardware that to me is screaming spring and summer fashion, but I also love just the versatility of this bag. So not only can you carry it handheld, which is probably like the ultimate chic way to carry a handbag, especially when you have a silhouette like this that is a little bit more structured, a little bit more ladylike. It's seriously perfection when you're wearing like a girly, feminine dress during the spring and summer. I seriously love it. But then you have the versatility of the strap option. It is a little bit adjustable, but not a lot, but still is adjustable, and you can wear it crossbody. I really just love this bag. And like I said, I've already started reaching for it this season, and I know I will reach for it a ton more. And this one does come in several other options, but I specifically love this color tone. The YSL Lulu is another bag that I reached for a lot during the spring and summer months. And as you can see, I've got it in gold hardware. I really love the gold hardware on this bag. And I also love it specifically on this color tone. This color is so beautiful. Again, this is one of those bags that can you wear it year round? Absolutely. But again, I do reach for it a ton during the spring and summer months. I think the color, I think the gold hardware, and I think the size. If you're looking for that perfect, like ladylike feminine size to wear with those frilly spring and summer dresses, but you still want something that's really practical, this is a great option. But again, you also have the versatility with this one. So you can double it up just like it is here to wear on your shoulder, which I think looks really ladylike, or you can wear it a little bit longer on your shoulder or crossbody. I will say the strap on this one is a little bit long. I'm not saying that it's too long for me to wear a crossbody, but it does fit me a little bit lower than I'd prefer when wearing a crossbody bag, but it still does the job. This one is, again, a beautiful bag, very classic, very simple. I don't feel like it's like logo crazy or anything. So if you want something very like chic and elegant, but can go dressy or casual, the Lulu is an amazing option. I feel like I've said it 1,000 times how much I love the YSL Camera Bag. I think just in general, YSL is just one of my all-time favorite brands, but this camera bag is such an amazing bag as not only a starter luxury handbag because of the amazing price when it comes to a luxury handbag, but just the practicality of this one is seriously perfection. I love the simplicity of this bag. Yes, year round, but in the spring and summer, it's just incredible because you can throw this on over shorts, denim, rompers, a dress, and you just look so cute. The camera bag is a super easy casual style, but then you've got it in this kind of like beautiful leather chevron with the tassel detail, the gold hardware, you've got the adjustable strap. It just is, again, maybe not as versatile as the Nikki or the Antigona, because really you can only wear this long on the shoulder or crossbody. It's not gonna be as versatile, but the price point is much better and it's seriously the cutest. This is gonna be one of those bags that I reach for a ton this spring and summer. Granted, I also reached for it a lot this past fall and winter. You know I had to include my Chloe Woody Tote in the spring and summer top handbags. This bag, I literally bought it for spring and summer, and I am so excited to be wearing it this season. I'm gonna reach for this one a ton. I love the fact that they now have so many different options. So if you go for more of the classic look, as I have here, this is the medium size, or you go for the ones that have like the tassels and the fringe and the color and all the detail, they're all seriously amazing. I've considered adding one of the colorful ones to my collection because I think these bags are so much fun. Yes, it is a little bit more season specific, a little bit more spring and summer in my opinion. Can you wear it year round? Sure, if you want to. But I do think the style is very much a spring and summer bag, at least in my opinion. So again, this is gonna be a must-have for me when it comes to the luxury space and spring and summer luxury handbags. I think it's adorable, and I love the fact that they have so many different options to choose from now. So make sure to check out all the links down below because I'll link this one, but I'll also link some of my other favorite Chloe Woody pick options. If you've been following along for a while, you know how much I have been loving this bag lately. It has honestly caught me by surprise how much I have fallen in love with this bag. And I really am so glad that I ended up getting it in white. There is just something about this gold hardware on top of this beautiful, this combo, the quality, it is so rich and decadent. It is just such a beautiful, beautiful bag. When I think of spring and summer fashion, I imagine me styling outfits, and this bag goes with all of it, whether I'm wearing a romper or denim or a dress. This bag just works. So I know I'm going to be reaching for this one a ton. I love the fact that it could be dressed up, dressed down, and it just adds this instant trend factor to every single outfit that we wear it with. Yes, we know. We know the chain is heavy. We know the chain is heavy. We've talked about it, but I still just can't get over how much I love this bag. So I will 100% be reaching for this one a ton this summer, in the spring and summer. And if you've considered it, I do recommend it. I've talked about the pros and cons in other videos. Make sure to watch those if you want a little bit more in depth about this one. But I know in my collection, this is gonna be a go-to this spring and summer season. Let's go and dive into my new handbags that I wanted to share with you. Don't forget, they are all part of the Saks Fifth Avenue Friends and Family Sale. Make sure you use the links down below to access the event to get up to 25% off. But let's go and jump into bag number one. I do want to point out that not only are these bags perfect for spring and summer, but I specifically ordered them with vacation in mind. I have a couple of trips coming up, and I knew I wanted to get some fun spring and summer bags. When I think of spring and summer, I think of different textures, right? Like braiding and raffia and straw and linen. And I love adding different silhouettes, but also different textures to my handbags. I just think it adds this extra element of style to your outfits during the spring and summer. So the first handbag that I ordered is this one right here. This is from the brand mbien, and I just fell in love with not only the color of this bag, but the texture of this bag just screams vacation. I am gonna be taking this one on the vacation that we are going on next month. I just love this one so much. So not only do you have the top handle option, which you guys know is one of my favorite ways to carry a handbag, I think it's really, really chic, but you have two different strap options. I really fell in love with the braided one, so I went ahead and put that one on the bag, but it also comes with an adjustable strap option and just a solid leather strap. So you have that option as well. This bag to me just screams vacation. It just screams spring and summer. I think the silhouette is fun. I think the color is just perfect and will go with absolutely everything. The texture is great. You've got a magnetic closure and the compartment is smaller, but I actually kind of like that because a lot of times we're carrying this large oversized tote, and you can throw this inside with just your essentials. So when you're on vacation and you're going to lunch or you're going to dinner, or you're looking for something fun and kind of cute for date night, this one is seriously perfection. Okay, this one might be my favorite. I look at it and it just gives me this huge smile. I feel like it is seriously perfection. Is this not seriously the cutest thing you ever seen in your whole life? I just love it. I feel like it is just screaming, you need to go on a vacation to me. I think I'm gonna take this one as well because I like the fact that this one's only top handle, so I can carry that one more during the day crossbody. And then if we go to dinner or if I wanna look just like super cute shopping around, this is the one that I'm gonna take. Love the texture. You've got this like straw detail, and then of course the leather top handle. It does kind of, do you see that? I mean, like, does it get any better, you guys? It is, again, a little bit smaller, but who needs a lot of stuff in the spring and summer? You don't need a lot of stuff. You need some lip gloss, you need your money, you need your phone, you need your keys, and you're good to go, right? I mean, that is all you need, and it is seriously perfect for that and a little bit more. I can tell it can fit a little bit more than that. But I love all the detail. Like, look at this little detail right here on both sides. You've got even the detail here, all of the detail in the weave. It just seriously is so cute. This one is from the brand Poolside. I just love it. I really, really love this one. And when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness, I think it's my favorite. I just love it so, so much. I cannot wait to wear this. When it comes to colors in my wardrobe, you guys know that I don't wear a ton of black. So when I add something black to my collection, it's because I think it's really, really beautiful. And when I saw this like two-toned, like mini straw bag, I had to have it. I was picturing this for vacation date nights. I think there is something about pops of black in wardrobe that just add this element of depth and richness. And I thought this was such a beautiful way to add the elegance of black in a casual way that was perfect for vacation. So I just think this one is so cute. The texture in it is seriously so beautiful. This is from the brand Carrie Forbes. And again, it's gonna be perfect for your spring and summer date nights. You do have a little bit of organization in there, two little pockets, perfect for like a cell phone and your like card holder or whatnot. You've got the top handle. I just thought this was really, really cute. It's the perfect size. You've got a lot of texture, which I love. And then you've got that richness of black, but then you've got the natural color here. I just think this is so, so beautiful. When it comes to spring and summer, there is one handbag that is an absolute must, and that is a good oversized tote. And this is the one that I picked. I'll be taking this on vacation next month as well. I really, really fell in love with the texture of this one, but it's also like mesh and see-through, making it perfect for the pool, perfect for the beach, or just perfect for styling. I really, really love this one. This one also came in a few different colors, a few different sizes, and it is part of the sale. Let me find the tag. Okay, so this one's actually from that same brand, Mbien, as the first bag that I shared with you. They really have some beautiful bags with lots and lots of texture. And again, an oversized tote is an absolute must. You need room for not only your handbag, you can throw your handbag inside of here, your towel, your sunscreen, all of the things that you need, your drink and water bottle, snacks, all can fit inside of this one. This might have even been the medium size. I think they actually have one bigger than this as well. I just really, really loved the texture. You've got the longer strap, so it's gonna be comfortable on the shoulder. You've got the leather lining, and then you also have a button closure here. So it's not gonna be fully closed here, but it does kind of allow it so it doesn't just completely like pop open all the time. So you do have that. Other than that, it is just a giant hole to fit all of your spring and summer essentials. It seriously is perfect for poolside. So there you have it. Lots of eye candy in today's video for you. Don't forget to check out all the links down below for the Saks Fifth Avenue Friends and Family event happening right now. It does end on the 29th, and lots of things sell out really quickly. So again, if you have anything on your wish list, now is the time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. Make sure to stick around for more fashion, luxury, and lifestyle videos. I do about 2 videos a week here on my channel. If you're new again, make sure to introduce yourself down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to watch one of these before you head out. Bye-bye.